We're back, and welcome to Cactus Club. If this is your first day at Cactus Club, you have to graft. Okay, we have our number 3 graft here. We have a large, medium-sized prickly pear pad, spineless, donated by the landscaping down at the Sonic drive-thru restaurant down the road from us. Thanks to Sonic for that. This is a Superglue scion. Superglue graft. That's right, we superglued it. Why? Because somebody said we could. So let's take a quick look at it. You can see the smaller portion where the scion originally was, a little over an inch. Now we're coming up on 4 inches of growth on that bad boy. Really, really happy with that. So this was, I think, my second try at grafting cactus. So don't be shy, folks. Do this at home. This is absolutely awesome. Make sure you try this at home.